Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cheche. This is my new background. I'm trying to like prep for Christmas. It's weird, but it's a little thing I could come up with. Okay, so in this video guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how I take off my makeup. Okay, so I filmed this makeup for Instagram. I'm going to leave my Instagram handle here for you guys to go check me out and follow me on Instagram, guys. Follow me on Instagram, okay? So I'm gonna show you how I take off my makeup, okay? So when I started doing makeup newly, right, I didn't have to take off my makeup. I just basically use wipes and I wipe my face and then I wash my face and I'm like, that's good. Crazy. Then recently I realized that I was killing my skin because then I started breaking out and it was really bad. But it's getting better now because I've figured out how to remove my makeup effectively and there won't be any makeup. Because I went back and I tried that my old routine, just using wipes and then just washing my face, and then I went back with like micellar water, right? And my face was filled with makeup. So today guys, I'm going to be showing you guys, if you are a beginner when it comes to like makeup and you're wondering how to clean your face and all that, I'm going to take you guys through the process. So the next place you guys are going to see me, it's gonna be in my bathroom, right? All right, so let's just get into this video guys. Okay, hi guys, so welcome into my bathroom. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to take off any accessories you're wearing. If you're wearing earrings and necklace and rings, you need to take them off. And then I'm going to go ahead and take off my lashes as well. Okay guys, now I'm going to go in with this Ghanaian Skin Active Micellar cleansing water, and this is for combination to oily skin and it's also suitable for people with sensitive skin. And you can use this for your face, eyes and lips, and it's also fragrance free. Okay guys, so I would like to put the makeup pad on my eyes and wait like 5 seconds and then just wipe it off. So I'm going to go ahead and just use the micellar cleansing water and then wipe off all the makeup that I have on my face. And I like to go in with this as many times as possible just to get the makeup off, because you know, makeup and the layers and layers of product on my face, foundation, concealer, powders and the rest. So I like to at least go with this micellar cleansing water a couple of times before I wash my face. Okay, so don't forget to get your neck, because we always skip our neck and there are lots of products that is just packed on our neck, and also our eyes, because I used some products on my water lash line, so I like to just take my time and clean it. And also the most important part that we always skip is our hairline, guys. If you know the amount of makeup that hairline stores, oh my god. It's so funny, but we need to always clean our hairline. Okay, I just see the difference between the first makeup part that I used and the last one. Like, so much makeup on my face, but it's not like my face is totally free from makeup at the moment, but at least it's good enough before I go in with my cleanser. Then for my cleanser, I'm going to use this Ole Henriksen. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but this is their Find Your Balance Oil Control Cleanser. And here it says Green Fusion Complex, Neem Seed and AHAs. I like to wet my face first before I go in with the cleanser. This cleanser has been like a life-saving cleanser for me. Like, it really controlled like the excess oil I used to have on my face. Like, now I don't have like excess oil, but it's like my face is still moisturized but not oily. So guys, this cleanser foams up really nice, but if I still have like makeup on my face, it won't foam as much as it does. But if there is no makeup on my face, like you see in the next clip, it will foam like really well. Okay, so for my second cleanser, I'm going to use this oil-free acne wash Neutrogena facial cleanser for acne prone skin, and this contains salicylic acid. So I don't use this every day, like I don't do double cleanse every day. I just go ahead and use this anytime I do makeup, because I know there are lots of makeup on my face, so I need to like really wash my face. On a normal day, it's either I use this one or I use the Ole Henriksen one. So yeah, I'm still testing out this product, and I don't know yet, but it feels great. My skin is not reacting to it yet, but it's okay. That's why I'm still using it. So the next thing I'm going to do is to use this Glow Illuminating Polish Mild Exfoliation, and this is a scrub from Anko, the last brand that I reviewed in my last video, and this contains glycolic acid, jojoba oil, orange essential oil. Guys, this is so mild, like this is like extremely mild, and I have sensitive skin, so it's so perfect for my skin. Okay guys, so I don't usually use this every day. Of course, it's a scrub, so you can't exfoliate your skin every day. I do makeup once a week, basically when I film, so I use this scrub once a week, and it's not really that harsh. Like, I mean, you can get away with it if you use it twice a week, but I use it once a week, and it's really amazing. So to clean my face, I love to use paper towels. I feel like they have less germs. I mean, they don't really have germs at all. Instead of using towel, I used to use towel before though, but it made my skin feel so bad. Like, it used to irritate my skin, so I had to switch to paper towels, and this has been like game changer, or face changer, I guess. Then the next step for me is to use this Ole Henriksen. Guys, I don't know if I'm pronouncing this thing right, but this is a Glow to OH dark spots toner, okay, and it says it has high potency AHAs. So I've been using this is my first bottle. I've been using this, trying to see if it's going to work, and I feel like it's working, although I kind of had to stop my normal skincare routine to test out this Anko product that I reviewed in my last video. So I feel like it's doing great. I mean, my black spots are clearing, but it's not like a 1 week thing. I feel like it's going to like a progress thing, and I have to like be really consistent with the product. My next step is my eye gel, and this is the Brightening and Femme Vitamin C and Collagen eye gel from Anko. This is super amazing. Okay, this does not target anything like black spots, and it doesn't target like on the eye circles and the rest. It just moisturizes my under eye, and this is so moisturizing. Like, it is so moisturizing. It's also part of the product I reviewed in my last video. Guys, if you've not seen that video, I'm going to leave the link up there in the cards and also in the description box. And then my last step is my moisturizer, and this is from the same Anko. This is a vitamin C and hyaluronic acid night moisturizer, and this is what I'm going to be using for my face. Okay guys, so this moisturizer, I don't think it does anything honestly, but it doesn't irritate my skin. So until I find a good moisturizer, I'm going to just stick with this one for now. Okay guys, this is the final step. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.